Hi everyone. Today we're going to study derivative of logarithmic functions. Let us first define logarithmic functions. The function y equals log of x to base b, where b is not equal to 1 and b is a positive constant, is called a logarithmic function. On the other hand, the function y equals natural log of x. In symbol, we write ln x. Is a logarithmic function with base e. Let us study now the derivative of logarithmic functions. For our formula, let's start with d over dx, or the derivative of log of x to base b. This is equal to 1 over x times the natural log of b, or ln b. In general, we have d over dx of log of u to the base b, where u here is a function of x. This is equal to 1 all over u times ln of b, multiplied by du over dx. Letter B formula, d over dx of ln of x. This is equal to 1 over x. In general, we write d over dx of ln of u. Again, this u is a function of x. This is equal to 1 over u times du over dx. Let us see this example 1. Find the derivative of y equals log of the function 2x plus 5 to base 7. For our solution, here is the formula for the derivative of log of u. Take note that our u here is the function 2x plus 5. Using this formula, we will now write y prime, that is the derivative, is equal to 1 all over the function 2x plus 5, that is the u, times ln of 7. 7 here is the b. Then times d over dx of the function 2x plus 5. Simplifying now this derivative here, we have the answer as 2. Let us multiply this 2 with this fraction. We'll just put this 2 as numerator. And this is our final answer. Example 2. Find the derivative of y equals e raised to 2x times ln of x squared. For our solution, we take note that we have a product here of two functions. The first function is this e raised to 2x. The second function is ln of x squared. We will use the product formula here. So our dy over dx, or the derivative, is equal to e raised to 2x times the derivative of the second function, plus we copy the second function times the derivative of the first function. On the next line, we're going to copy everything, and this time we will simplify the respective derivative. So the derivative of ln x squared is 1 over x squared times the derivative of x squared. In here, the derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x times the derivative of 2x. We will copy this line in the next step, but we will evaluate the derivatives respectively. So the derivative of x squared will be 2x. The derivative here of 2x is now 2. Now look at this portion of the first group. We can see that x can be cancelled with 1x of the denominator here. Here we go. And then, in the two big groups here, we can observe that there is common among them. And the common is the 2 times e raised to 2x. Factoring the common, we have 2e raised to 2x times the quantity 1 over x plus ln of x squared. This is our final answer. Example 3. Find the second derivative of y equals x squared times ln x. For our solution, we take note that here we have a product of two functions again. The first function is x squared. The second function is ln of x. So let us take now the first derivative. We have y prime equals x squared, that is the first function, and then multiplied by the derivative of the second function. Plus, we copy here the second function times the derivative of the first function. On the next line, we will evaluate the derivatives respectively. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. The derivative of x squared is 2x. In this group, we can see that we can cancel this x in the denominator and one of the x in this expression. Here we go. So in the next step, we have now the y prime, or the first derivative, equals x plus 2x ln x. Now let us take the second derivative. So we will write y double prime. This is equal to, the derivative of x is 1, then plus, let us write the constant outside, and we will take derivative for x and ln x. So we copy first the x here and take the derivative of ln x. Plus, we copy the second function ln x times the derivative of that x. Simplifying now the derivatives respectively, the derivative of ln x is now 1 over x. The derivative of x is 1. We can see in this portion that x times 1 over x, we can cancel those x. So it will be equal to 1. Now let us multiply this constant 2 in all the terms inside the grouping symbol. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 2 ln x. This number 1 plus 2 can be combined together. So y double prime is equal to 3 plus 2 ln x. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.